Tired of generic WordPress templates? Let's transform your site into a powerful review platform like Trustpilot in just a few steps. First, you'll need a WordPress installation. I'm assuming you already have one. If not, there are many free tutorials online. Next, choose a theme suitable for a directory or listing website. Look for ones that emphasize user-generated content. I would suggest a theme like Listify or Business Directory. Now for the plugins. Vital ones include a review plugin like WP Review or customer reviews for WooCommerce. Even if you're not selling products, a business directory plugin like Business Directory plugin will handle listings. Install and activate these now. Configure your review plugin, customize the look of the star ratings and the review submission form, and moderate the review by approving them or removing them at your discretion. Set up your business directory plugin, define categories, custom fields like company website, and contact details. Add some test listings to see how it looks. Head to appearance and then customize, tailor the themes, colors, and fonts to match Trustpilot's aesthetic, or create your own unique brand. Adjust the layout for optimal user experience. Keep it clean and easy to navigate. Compare with Trustpilot, identify any features missing, and explore additional plugins or custom coding to achieve desired functionality. Remember, this is an approximation. That's it. With the right theme, key plugins, and a bit of tweaking, you can recreate Trustpilot's core functionality in WordPress. Now go build your own awesome review platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips.